Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up a work mode on iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. So first of all, you want to open the settings, scroll down and find focus and then go there. And in the focus you should be able to find work mode over here. You can tap on it in order to set it up. If you open it for the first time, you can press customize focus and then you can silence notifications. You can choose people to be included in the work focus mode. And you can also customize the screen. So if you turn on the work focus mode, then the lock screen and home screen page can be customized. We can also set a schedule, so we can have this focus turn on automatically at a set time, location, on, when, or while using a certain app. So for instance, we also have the smart activation over here. Or we can press add schedule and choose, for instance, time here in order to choose from and to and which days of the week. We can also add focus filters over here. And if you want to, you can completely get rid of this focus by tapping delete focus at the bottom of the screen. You can also open the control center. Over here you should be able to find the focus button. You can press on it in order to find work. You can tap on it in order to quickly turn it on and off, and if you want to, you can also press on these three dots in order to turn it on for 1 hour until tomorrow morning, or until I leave your location. And that's and of course we can also jump to the settings as well. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.